Welcome to my channel. This is a review of Honda EV1000 gas generator restoration. Nagpurchase ako ng Honda EV1000 generator set. It's a second-hand generator set. A gen set is essential lalo na sa may mga business. Alam naman natin na ang Pilipinas ay known na nadadaanan ng maraming bagyo. Consider power interruption at gamit natin sa bahay during calamity. We have the EV1000 here. Guys, it is 8,000 pesos. I'm really happy for what I have purchased. Malaki na save natin dito. At the same time, it is a trusted brand. I believe it is worth it. Kung tumagal man siya ng 2-3 years with the proper maintenance, oil, gas, tune up, I believe it will last longer. What I have to expect from here, nothing much kasi it's second hand. But ang mahalaga, masaya tayo. Anyway, that's all for this time. See you next review. Thank you. Keep safe.